Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to JK Hunting and Fishing. It's a little backwards today. I'm doing intro and outro right now. So, went out there, got there at 10 and 5. They've been roosting quite a while in the trees. They don't come down until like almost 5:30. Hung out until about 6. It was 30 degrees. I dressed up pretty warm, but apparently not warm enough because I was still cold. So about, I'd say 10:06, I got down, headed home, and then, I don't know, 6:30 came around, and my buddy's wife sent him a text telling him that they're in the backyard already. So I ended up flying back over, and they were still in the backyard, trying to think of how I wanted to go in. At first I brought the bow out, thinking, I could sneak up, get them while they're in the backyard. By the time I snuck up, they were already pushing the woods a little bit, so I followed them. They were going around the backside of the hill that's in his backyard, and I went to the left to try and cut them off, so I waited. They got in sight, in view, and I took a shot, missed completely, hit a little branch, of course, and then they started heading back the other way. So I said, screw this. Ran back to the truck, came back, went down a little trail that is old and has a bunch of ferns and stuff in the middle. I ended up getting spotted at first, waited for him to move so I could move again. Ended up laying down right where I was, right behind a fallen tree and a bunch of ferns all around me. Just got my first bird. Woo. Well, that was exciting. Doing a little walking. Stalking and walking. Just a little Jake, but all the toms are pretty smart. They're staying all behind the houses. My buddy let me hunt behind his house. His house is right through there. There's other houses around here, but they're, well, far enough away. Of course, after I shoot them, one walked right by me. Not even 20 yards I could have shot. Little spur, little guy. Little beard. Not too little, but little. It's alright. It's a good start. Bam. Got him. Nice little Jake. First turkey. Yeah. Oops. Sorry. So yeah, the turkeys are not dumb, even though they are dumb. Yeah. Till next time.